Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. If you were told that this is the last Ramadan you were going to experience, would you be doing what you are doing right now, or what you were doing prior to reading this? This month of Ramadan is like no other. Abu Huraira reported Allah's Messenger, may peace be upon him, as saying, "When there comes the month of Ramadan, the gates of mercy are opened, and the gates of hell are locked, and the devils are chained. To reach the month of Ramadan and strive in worship in it is one of the greatest blessings from Allah." There were two men who one of them strove harder in jihad and was martyred, and the other lived 1 year longer and experienced the next Ramadan. The one who experienced the Ramadan was admitted into paradise before the martyr. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "So the difference between them is greater than what is between the heavens and the earth." Sahih Ibn Majah, 2345, 346. So, subhanallah, you cannot imagine how lucky you are to be able to witness another month of Ramadan in which you get to fast and pray. This is such a great opportunity. How are you willing to use it? In the holy month of Ramadan, it's important to make the most of your time and focus on your spiritual growth. Here are some do's and don'ts to help you navigate through this blessed month. Things to do in Ramadan. 1. Start your day with suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, to have energy throughout the day. 2. Dedicate time for reading and reflecting on the Quran daily. 3. Engage in acts of kindness and charity to help those in need. 4. Make extra prayers, such as Taraweeh, to strengthen your connection with Allah. 5. Spend time with family and friends, fostering a sense of community and togetherness. Anas, Allah be pleased with him, reported Allah's Messenger, may peace be upon him, as saying, "Take meal a little before dawn, for there is a blessing in taking meal at that time." Amr bin Alas reported Allah's Messenger, may peace be upon him, as saying, "The difference between our fasting and that of the people of the book is eating shortly before dawn." Things to avoid in Ramadan. 1. Don't waste time on idle activities that don't benefit your spiritual growth. 2. Avoid overeating during iftar to maintain a healthy balance. 4. Avoid distractions like excessive screen time that can take away from your focus on worship. 5. Don't neglect your prayers or miss out on the blessings of Ramadan. In the state of fasting, one should refrain from indecent talk such as insults, gossip, cuss words, backbiting, slander, cursing, mocking, taunting, and any other sins. Otherwise, besides remaining hungry and thirsty, nothing will be achieved. Whoever does not give up false speech and acting upon it, Allah has no need of him giving up his food and drink. Al-Bukhari. After we break our fast, it's important not to return to sinful behavior. Let's remember that Ramadan is about more than just fasting. It's a time for self-reflection and spiritual growth. So, let's stay focused on doing good and avoiding bad, even after we've completed our fast of the day. Let's use this time to become better versions of ourselves and seek forgiveness for any past mistakes. The do's and don'ts listed provide a clear path for those observing Ramadan to enhance their spiritual journey and make the most of this blessed time. May this month bring peace, blessings, and growth to all who observe it.